I hear it all the time. People make a lot of videos. Oh, microbiology is a useless course. Don't do this. Don't study microbiology. People even do a 10-point video about why you shouldn't study microbiology. But the reason why it's like that is because they do not understand what microbiology is all about. You see, let me talk to you as a microbiologist. For a minute, one thing I hear students say is that people call microbiology a useless course. So they'll tell them, oh, you're studying microbiology. Oh, that useless course. And honestly, that opinion comes from the understanding of not knowing what microbiology is. So when people think microbiology, think hospital lab, MLS, diagnostic, and it's very narrow. Yes, microbiology diagnostic lab is part of what a microbiologist could do, but just a small space in the world of microbiology. So microbiology is not just about finding a space in the hospital. We have other areas like we have the pharmaceutical, we have the food and beverage, we have water quality, we have environmental monitoring, we have public health, surveillance, industrial, research and biotechnology, oil and gas. And many of these industries are even looking for microbiologists. So it's not just about, oh, microbiology is a useless course. Are you applying the knowledge? And let me give you an example. In the food industry, microbiology are responsible for ensuring that food is safe before they are distributed to people. So microbiology, we check for contamination, we monitor production hygiene, test shelf life to ensure compliance with safety standards. Without all of this, companies cannot legally or sell products safely. So microbiology is not a small role, it's not a small course, it's essential. So when somebody says microbiology is a useless course, leave that course, it's not the course, it's their exposure about microbiology. Microbiology is not just about identifying organisms under the microscope. It's not about naming, oh, Staphylococcus, E. coli, just viewing the microscope, culturing organisms, sensitivity testing. No, microbiology is much more. It's about ensuring public health. Yes, ensuring that industrial safety, that the things we consume, cosmetics, food, what have you, are safe enough for use. Then controlling disease. When there was a pandemic, COVID-19, who were the people do you think were on the forefront of the research that came about with the vaccine to tackle that pandemic? Who do you think were the people on the forefront? Without microbiology, how would we be able to control disease? Without microbiology, how would we be able to identify causative agents and tell you that, okay, this is what you can apply to this agent to get rid of it, stop their replication, or this are the beneficial ways you can use an agent. And you can also use microbiology to solve real-world biological problems. The world now is moving into creating things from natural substrates, like biofuel production, right? The world is moving into that place, and microbiology is going to play a huge role in that. So the question is not, is microbiology useless? What is my understanding of microbiology? One, do I think it's only in the lab that I fit in? How far am I willing to go in this course?